Before buying kitchen gadgets, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's dig into the top must-have kitchen gadgets. Product number 1, Trend Plain Olive Oil Sprayer. First up is the Trend Plain 16 Oz Olive Oil Sprayer, priced at just $9.99. What caught my attention was its dual dispensing feature, allowing you to spray or pour oil with ease. If you want to control your oil intake while cooking, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This oil sprayer delivers a fine mist or a steady stream, perfect for drizzling over salads or spraying on air-fried dishes. Each spray dispenses just 0.15 grams of oil. This helps you manage your intake, making your meals healthier and reducing waste. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from over 43,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its quality. Now, some people complain that the nozzle can clog if not cleaned properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you give it a quick clean after each use, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. The ease of use it offers far outweighs this minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want to keep your meals healthy. Skip this one if you prefer traditional oil bottles and don't mind a bit of mess. At this price, it's a solid addition to any kitchen. Now, if the clogging issue concerns you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, culinary Kitchen Funnel Set. Next up is the culinary Kitchen Funnel Set, available for just $5.48. I was drawn to its collapsible design that saves space in your kitchen. If you're tired of messy spills while pouring, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. These funnels come in 2 sizes and are made from food-grade silicone, which means they can handle everything from hot liquids to oils without any risk of melting or leaching chemicals. Plus, they're easy to clean, just toss them in the dishwasher or wash them by hand. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 28,000 reviews, it's evident that families are finding them incredibly useful. Now, some users noted that they could be a bit flimsy when filled to the top. But honestly, as long as you're not trying to pour a heavy liquid, this shouldn't be a problem. The space-saving feature and versatility make up for this. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy way to transfer liquids without the mess. Skip this one if you prefer rigid funnels that won't flex at all. For the value, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for speeding up your meal prep. Product number 3, Mueller Pro Chopper. Now let's talk about the Mueller Pro Chopper, priced at $26.99. What stood out to me was its 10-in-1 functionality, which makes meal prep a breeze. If you want to chop veggies quickly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. With 8 different blades, you can slice, dice, and julienne a variety of vegetables in mere seconds. This chopper is designed for efficiency, so you can make healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Plus, it comes with a food container, keeping your workspace clean. It has a solid 4.5-star rating from over 33,000 users, showing it's a favorite for many. Now, some complaints mention that it can be a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing though, the time you save in meal prep far outweighs the storage issue. If you have a busy lifestyle, this tool is a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you want to eat healthier but struggle to find the time to chop vegetables. Skip this one if you have limited counter space and need a more compact option. At this price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you need something for mixing and serving, the next product really stands out. Product number 4, Umite Chef Mixing Bowls. Coming in next is the Umite Chef Mixing Bowls set, priced at $35.98. I was impressed by the range of sizes and the airtight lids that come with it. If you need versatile and durable mixing bowls, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The set includes 6 bowls in various sizes, perfect for everything from mixing ingredients to storing leftovers. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep them stable while mixing, avoiding those annoying spills. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With a 4.8-star rating from nearly 5,000 reviews, they've got a solid reputation. Now, some users pointed out that the lids can warp if washed in the dishwasher. But honestly, if you wash them by hand, this shouldn't be an issue. The quality and functionality make this a must-have. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of baking or cooking and need reliable mixing bowls. Skip this if you prefer single-use bowls instead of a full set. For the quality and features, it's a great buy. Now, if you're looking for another oil spray option, you might find the next product interesting. Product number 5, YARRAMAT Olive Oil Sprayer. Finally, let's check out the YARRAMAT Olive Oil Sprayer, available for $8.99. I liked its easy-to-use design and portion control feature. If you want a simple way to add oil without the mess, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This sprayer allows you to precisely control how much oil you use, with each spray dispensing around 0.2 grams. It's made from BPA-free materials, ensuring it's safe to use in your kitchen. With a rating of 4.4 stars from nearly 47,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its functionality. Now, some users mention that the sprayer might not work well with thicker oils. But honestly, if you stick to standard oils, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The ease of use and price make it a great addition. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free way to cook with oils. Skip this if you like thicker oils or dressings that might clog the sprayer. At this price, it's hard to go wrong. So we've covered 5 must-have kitchen gadgets: the Trend Plain Olive Oil Sprayer for controlled cooking, Kong Knife Funnel Set for mess-free pouring, Mueller Pro Chopper for quick meal prep, Umite Chef Mixing Bowls for versatile mixing, and YARRAMAT Olive Oil Sprayer for easy oil application. Each has its own strengths and potential drawbacks, but they can all make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable.